What's up, guys? My name is Way Forward. Welcome to my Java tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be talking about random numbers. Let me just say we'll be generating random numbers. So the format of doing the random number is similar to how we accept input from the user. So firstly, we need to import a library, which is gonna be the random. Import java.util the random. Make sure the R is capital letter. So after that is done, then let's create the public class, which is gonna be public static void main string args square bracket, then curly bracket. Sorry, it's gonna be out here. I need to remove this. So this is set now. So to use the random numbers, you need to create an instance of the random number. So let's say we're working on we want to generate a number from 1 to 6. So let's use the variable name dice. It's gonna be random dice equals new random. So this is how to create an instance of an object. So this is the random number, and then this is the name we used for the random numbers. So let's also create an integer which is going to hold the random number. This is going to be int num. So firstly, with the first example I'm going to do here, let me just see out the random number, a single random number. So it's going to be system out of print line num. So before that, I need to do something here, which is gonna be num equals dice dot next int. So let me run this for you guys to see the output. So this is the output of the program we just run. This is the random number we generated. So you can see this is not even similar to how the dice look like. I believe we don't have up to this. This is almost a million or a billion or something, but we only need number from 1 to 6. So thereby we need to include it here, which is going to be 6. And then let's keep going. What's up with this? Okay, so depending on which the type of number you want to generate, whether it's 1 to 6 or any number you want to generate, so this is just the range of the number. You need to put it in you need to put the parameter here, which is which is 6. So let's run this program again. So you see we have 4, we have 0, but normally in the dice we shouldn't have 0. So that is one thing here. So okay, let me add a for loop here, so we can possibly get several numbers. So you'll be able to see the range of numbers we have in the 6. So if you don't know how to use the for loop, you can just check my previous tutorial. I have talked about the for loop here. So int I equals 1, that's where it's going to start from. Then I is less than or equal to let's just say 5 numbers. Then I plus plus, that's the increment. So this is gonna be in here, and let me cut this from here and then paste it here. So now I'm gonna generate 5 numbers ranging from 0 to 6. What's up? I'm having to all through. Okay, let me just cut this also. Maybe that's why I'm having just. So it's going to generate the number. I believe we get this. So you can see now we have 5 random numbers, but we have 0. So in order to remove the 0 from this, so there is no way to do that, but we just need to trick it. So it's just a logical way of doing it. So since we're getting 0 to 5 as our range of from 1 to 6, if we had to change this to 7, it will still be from 0 to 6. We are still getting 1. So the proper way to do that is just adding 1 to whatever output is coming out of the random numbers. So this is 1 plus this. So let's run this again and see. Let me move this up. So you can see we have 5, 2, 4, 3 and 6. Let me run this again for you to see. You can see we have 1, 1, 1, blah blah blah. You can see the 0 has been removed from the program, and then the program ranges from 0 to 6. So depending on what program you want to write, just ensure you add 1 to it, and then you put in the range here so you can get the proper number, and then the number is saved in the integer num. So let's write a simple program to add up to random numbers. So we don't need it in the for loop, in which we only want just a single random number. So if this is let me just cut this again. We have num1, let this be num1, and then num2. So num1 is gonna get this number, and also let me just copy this. Oops, I cut it. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. This is gonna be num2, and also the integer to hold the summation of the two. This is gonna be sum. So let's see out num1. So you're gonna see what the output is gonna be. And also let me copy this, and then this is gonna be num2. So sum equals num1 plus num2. Then let me just see how this is. Sorry, I don't really like typing much. I'll just do a lot of copying. So that's that about this. So let me run this program for you to see. Where can I turn this off? So you can see the first number is 6, the second number is 4, and then the summation of the two number is 10. So that is how to manipulate your random number. The first thing is for you to import the random number library sorry, and then you create an instance of the library. This is what I mean by the instance of the library. And then you create a variable which is going to hold the random number. This is exactly what I did here, you can see, and then this is where I just summed it out. So I believe with this example you should be able to manipulate your random numbers. You can generate it and just insert it into a program. So depending on what program you're writing and then the range you want, just make sure everything is in here. So this is how to use the random number generator. Thank you for watching. Peace out.